Hey everybody, it's me Nacho. I did not drop off the face of the earth. I am home. When I am home, my family gets 100% of my attention. Since I've been home, poor Ben passed on. Breaks my heart. I'm just glad I was here. The family's sick. I'm not sleeping. It's just not a home without Ben. It's just so empty. He dominated the house. Whether it be his snoring or his smell, he has a way of just being omnipresent. My next trip has already been planned. I'm heading to Tampa in a few weeks. I'll be down there until November. If anybody wants to get together for a ride or do some droning, flying, anything, let me know because I am in. I'll be working Monday through Thursday, 10s. And off Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So somebody want to do something, let me know. Bye.